Hi children, welcome to my channel Excellent Tutorials. Maths, it's easy. Maths, it's very easy. How you are feeling? Is it difficult for you? No, don't feel like that. If you learn maths basics, then maths become easy. If you learn maths basics, then you can understand maths easily. You can do sums easily. If you understand, you will get interest. If you get interest, then maths become like a funny game. What are maths basics? Basics are like a building blocks. If you want to read English, you should know ABCD. If you want to read Kannada, you have to know E. Like that, if you want to do math sums easily, you should know maths basics. Then, in maths, many basics are there. In that, you should know first tables. Tables 2 to 20 tables you should practice properly. Daily one line you will practice, then up to 20 tables you know properly, then you can do sums very easily. Okay, that I am not going to teach. You have to practice yourself. Daily one line table, practice up to 20. Okay, next very important one basic things I will teach today, that is squares and square roots. Okay, first squares. See here, what are squares? Perfect squares. Squares means that is a product of two equal integrals. Square is a perfect square is a product of two equal integrals. In that, see here example, 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 is a square. These are the two equal integrals. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 is a perfect square. That is products. These two are the two equal integrals. This is a product of two equal integrals. 9 is a square of 3. That is product of two equal integrals. 3 into 3. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 16 is a square of 4. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. 25 is a square of 5. 36 is equal to 36 is a square of 6. That is product of 6 into 6. 49 is a square. That is the product of 7 into 7. 64 is a square. That is a product of 8 into 8. 81 is a square number. It is a perfect square. It is the product of two equal integrals, 9 into 9. 100 is a square number. It is the product of 10 into 10. 121 is a square number. It is the product of 11 into 11. Like that, you have to practice these squares up to 30. 1 to 30 squares. I'll give a chart that you have to practice properly. If you know squares 1 to 30, then that is very useful for your study. Okay. See here. This is the chart of 1 to 30 square numbers. 1 square is equal to 1. 2 square is equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 9. 4 square is equal to 16. 5 square is equal to 25. 6 square is equal to 36. 7 square is equal to 49. 8 square is equal to 64. 9 square is equal to 81. 10 square is equal to 100. 11 square is equal to 121. 12 square is equal to 144. 13 square is equal to 169. 14 square is equal to 196. 15 square is equal to 225. 16 square is equal to 256. 17 square is equal to 289. 18 square is equal to 324. 19 square is equal to 361. 20 square is equal to 400. 21 square is equal to 441. 22 square is equal to 484. 23 square is equal to 529. 24 square is equal to 576. 25 square is equal to 625. 26 square is equal to 676. 27 square is equal to 729. 28 square is equal to 784. 29 square is equal to 841. 30 square is equal to 900. See here, 1 to 30. At least if you know 25 squares, that also helpful. If you know up to 30, it is better. Okay, practice properly. Next I will teach square roots. Children, now what is square root? Square root means, square you know, no? Square is a product of two equal integral. Square root means in the two equal integral, one is its a square root. For example, 1's square root is 1. 4's square root is 2. These are the two equal integrals. In that, any one integral is its a square root. 9's square root is 3. 16's square root is 4. 25 square root is 5. 36 square root is 6. 49 square root is 7. 64 square root is 8. 81 square root is 9. 10's square root is 100 square root is 10. 121 square root is 11. 141 square root is 12. 169 square root is 13. 196 square root is 14. 225 square root is 15. Like that, you have to practice up to 30 square roots. I will give a chart of square roots 1 to 30. Okay? Children, see here. This is the chart of square roots. 1's square root is 1. 4's square root is 2. 9's square root is 3. 16's square root is 4. 25 square root is 5. 36 square root is 6. 49 square root is 7. 64 square root is 8. 81 square root is 9. 100 square root is 10. 121 square root is 11. 144 square root is 12. 169 square root is 13. 196 square root is 14. 225 square root is 15. 256 square root is 16. 289 square root is 17. 324 square root is 18. 361 square root is 19. 400 square root is 20. 441 square root is 21. So 484 square root is 22. 529 square root is 23. 576 square root is 24. 625 square root is 25. These square roots, no need to by heart once again. You already by hearted squares, no? That only make it reverse. You will get the square roots. You can understand. Just read squares 1 to 30. Then make it reverse. You can understand. You'll get to know square roots also. Okay, practice properly. Next, I'll teach cubes and cube roots. Okay. Thank you, children. Bye. Subscribe my channel and like it.